Let's make a casserole, a chicken and rice casserole. I'm going to use cream of chicken, cream of celery, cream of broccoli, about a cup of onion, maybe a little more. About well, this is 2 sticks of celery. This is 2 carrots, 1 cup of rice, and I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts. Use a little bit of parsley flakes, and I'm going to use some Italian seasoning, and let's get started. Let's start off with a hot pan and some olive oil. It's not real hot, but we'll add our carrots, celery, onion, and to move this along and make it a little faster, I'm going to add a cup of water, put a lid on it. Let's check on this. It's getting dry. The oil in the pan is the safety net in case it does go dry on you. That way it doesn't burn everything. So I'm going to let the water cook out of this. Everything's getting pretty tender. It's been about 10 minutes. And we'll just continue on like we were ordinarily sauteing vegetables. I have my 3 soups here. The chicken, broccoli, celery. You can use any soups that you want. You know, you could use cream of onion, all cream of chicken, you know, whatever you like. Here is a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of parsley, the rice. This rice, as you can see, is raw. It's not cooked. We're going to add in the vegetables, the carrots, onions, celery. Add those in there. I'm going to add in 1 soup can of water. Then mix this all up. Next, I have my 2 large chicken breasts. I'm going to season them on both sides with seasoned salt. Lowry's seasoned salt. Here you can see that. It's really, really nice. Nice tasting. I'm going to put our chicken in. You can do more chicken in this casserole if you wish, but 2 is plenty for me, and kind of bury it a bit. I like to put a couple pats of butter on each breast and into my 300-degree oven. We're going to bake this low and slow, 300 degrees. Look at this. It's been in the oven for 2 hours at the 300 degrees, and it's so good. I've tested it a little bit over here. It's done, and we'll have some in a minute. I have to tell you that the rice is so good. It's wonderfully flavored. And here's the chicken. It did cook or bake for the 2 hours. You get a smaller piece. The chicken is moist. You just have to make this. You have to. Especially just for the rice. Thank you so much for watching.